Thermocol DIY object videos are taking over social media right now. And here's the most impressive part about this niche. Nobody watching these videos can tell, even for a single second, that they were created using AI. The realism is just that good. First, take a look at this Instagram page. It has gained over 7,000 followers simply by uploading these kinds of Thermocol DIY object videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. First, open ChatGPT and type the following prompt. Provide me 20 sculpture object ideas which can be made from Thermocol and look very realistic and engaging. Then click Send. ChatGPT will generate several amazing ideas for you. Simply choose any one of the ideas you like. Next, open Flow AI and go to the video section. Select OmniFlash as your model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now, paste the prompt that I've provided in the comments. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the idea you selected, and paste it into the object section of the prompt. After that, click Send. Flow AI will then generate a high-quality, ultra-realistic video for you. Once the video is ready, simply download it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week. Finally, let us know in the comments which AI niche you'd like us to cover next. We read every comment, and your suggestions help us create even better content.